If you have been diagnosed with a narcissistic personality disorder, or you love someone who has, you may be feeling and thinking a lot about the diagnosis. You're probably wondering what caused it and how your life is going to change. And you may be hoping that there's a cure for this. Unfortunately, there is no cure for narcissistic personality disorder. It's a disorder, not a disease. And it is a personality disorder on top of that. Personality disorders are often deeply ingrained patterns of behavior, usually a specific type of behavior that impacts how the person functions in society. Personality disorders usually manifest during adolescence and last for the rest of a person's life. A narcissistic personality disorder is no different. If you've been accurately diagnosed with this disorder, then it isn't something that you will live with forever. Then it's something that you will live with forever. However, just because there isn't a cure doesn't mean it's hopeless. There are treatments. You can learn to manage narcissistic personality disorder. Treatments are generally lifelong and usually involve therapy and learning to recognize and alter or manage your behaviors. It's important to note that a personality disorder, like narcissistic personality disorder, is not a mental disorder like schizophrenia. In fact, it is estimated that about 10% of the population suffers from a personality disorder, which is good news for you or your loved one. Treatment is management. Narcissism can have a dramatic impact on your life. It can negatively affect your relationships, your jobs, your family, and your success. However, just because there isn't a cure for it doesn't mean it can't get better. Psychotherapy or talk therapy is the best treatment for narcissistic personality disorder. Treatment sessions will revolve around learning to identify the thoughts and behaviors that have a negative impact on your life. You'll learn to understand the cause of your behaviors so you can modify them. You'll also learn how to better relate to others. One of the foundations of narcissistic personality disorder is an inability to have empathy for others, and this is something that you can work on. There are no medications to directly treat narcissistic personality disorder. However, if you're experiencing depression or anxiety, you may be prescribed medications to relieve those symptoms and conditions. One of the biggest concerns for many dealing with a narcissistic personality disorder is their relationships. It can be difficult to be in a loving relationship with a narcissist. However, there are steps that you can take. Next time, we'll talk about relationships in narcissistic personality disorder. Thank you for listening.